Well, hello and a very warm welcome to all our viewers. You are watching the Cricket Next YouTube channel. My name is Kanav Bali and we are here to discuss India versus Prime Minister's 11, Australian Prime Minister's 11 warm-up game which was played in the city of Canberra. It was supposed to be a two-day game, 30th of November and 1st of December, but obviously due to rain, the match or the play on 30th of November was suspended. सिर्फ 1st of December का चांस मिला, आज का चांस मिला खेलने का. उसमें both the teams decided that instead of playing a typical long format game, 2-day game, we'll rather play a 50 over game. Each दोनों sides को 50 over मिलेंगे just like an ODI. और ये मैच हुआ, पूरा हुआ. Thankfully there was a bit of disturbance by the rain, but then that too at the very start after the first wicket fell of the Prime Minister's 11. But uske baad there was no rain to disturb both the teams. We'll take you through the entire game. Now, usually in a warm-up game, what you see is players getting used to the pink ball, since this was a pink ball warm-up game, because the second test match which will be played in the city of Adelaide starting 6th of December will be a pink ball game, will be a day and night game. तो उसी को ध्यान में रखते हुए दिस वार्म अप गेम वाज आल्सो प्लेड बाय विद अ पिंक बॉल. अब इस मैच में क्या क्या हुआ है, ऐसे क्या क्या चीज़ें हैं जो हाईलाइट करी जा सकती हैं, जो नोटिस करी जा सकती हैं इस मैच में, जो एक शायद मे बी इट्स अ हिंट of what to expect when the Adelaide test starts. There's so much that you need to think about when it comes to this warm-up game and then the second test match which is connected together. Now, to start off, India obviously decided to bowl first after winning the toss. A lot of bowlers bowled. The best part about a warm-up game is आप ओवर्स की देयर इज़ नो लिमिट फॉर द ओवर्स. एक बॉलर कितने भी ओवर डालना चाहे वो डाल सकता है, जितने भी बॉलर्स डालना चाहे वो डाल सकते हैं, जितने भी बैटर्स बैटिंग करना चाहे वो बैटिंग कर सकते हैं. कोई ऐसी रिस्ट्रिक्शन नहीं है. दिस इज़ बेसिकली अ गेम टू गेट द नेसेसरी मैच टाइम. इंडिया पहले बॉलिंग करने आती है एंड आई विल गिव यू द बेसिक इन्फो ऑफ द इंडियन बॉलिंग कार्ड. मोहम्मद सिराज bowled 7 overs, gave 18 runs and took 1 wicket. Akashdeep bowled 10 overs, gave away 58 runs, 5.80 की economy से, and took 2 wickets. And then came Harshit Rana. Now, at one point of time, Australian Prime Minister's 11, they were looking really good. They were 131 at the loss of 2 wickets. 22 रन पे उनकी दूसरी विकेट गिरी थी. 131 तक की पार्टनरशिप बनी, बट देन द हर्षित राणा स्टॉर्म केम एंड ही टुक अ लॉट ऑफ विकेट्स विद हिम. When he ended his day, he only bowled 6 overs. He gave away 44 runs, slightly expensive, 7.30 economy, but he took 4 wickets and he took those 4 wickets very quickly. बहुत इंप्रेसिव स्पेल था वो हर्षित राणा के 6 ओवर का. प्रसिद्ध कृष्णा ने 6 ओवर डाले, 1 विकेट लिया. वॉशिंगटन सुंदर ने 6.2 ओवर्स डाले, 1 विकेट लिया. नीतीश रेड्डी ने 3 ओवर डाले, 10 ही रन दिए, विकेट नहीं ले पाए. एंड देन रविंद्र जडेजा, who didn't play the Perth test, he bowled 5 overs, gave away 32 runs and took 1 wicket. Now this is the bowling card of the Indian team. Obviously there is no Jasprit Bumrah. जसप्रीत बुमराह को रेस्ट दिया गया, उनको इस मैच में बॉलिंग नहीं कराई गई, वो दिखे भी नहीं ज़्यादा, वो स्टेडियम में दिखे भी नहीं. एंड ऑब्वियसली वर्कलोड मैनेजमेंट इज़ वन ऑफ द थिंग्स, बिकॉज इट्स अ 5 मैच टेस्ट सीरीज. यू हैव टू प्ले 5 टेस्ट मैचेस बैक टू बैक. और अगर उसमें आप वार्म अप गेम में भी जसप्रीत बुमराह को बॉलिंग कराएंगे तो वो बहुत हैवी वर्कलोड हो जाएगा. ही नीड्स ब्रेक, एंड स्पेशली आफ्टर व्हाट ही डिड इन द सिटी ऑफ पर्थ, दोज अमेजिंग स्पेल्स, वन ऑफ अ काइंड स्पेल्स दैट ही बोल्ड in Perth. उसके बाद he deserved a break and he got a break in this match. But now the focus was on batting, because bowling में इतना सवाल नहीं था. हाँ, you wanted to see a try out a 4th pacer. You already have a Bumrah, Siraj, Nitish Rana who did well. You wanted to see a Prasidh Krishna. You wanted to see a Nitish Reddy bowl more. बहुत ज़रूरी हो जाता है बैकअप पेसर्स के लिए. बट सारा फोकस बैटिंग में था, क्योंकि इंडिया की बैटिंग में बहुत सवाल है. रोहित शर्मा, शुभमन गिल वापस आ रहे हैं. शुभमन गिल की फिटनेस में बहुत सवाल था, लेकिन आज आई एम प्रीटी श्योर वो सवाल दूर हो चुके होंगे. द बिगेस्ट हेडेक फॉर इंडिया, एंड अ गुड हेडेक रादर, is Rohit Sharma and Shubman Gill are all set to probably come back in the second test. रोहित तो पक्का ही आएंगे, कैप्टन है. गिल की फिटनेस, वो थंब इंजरी, फिंगर इंजरी के बाद थोड़ा क्वेश्चन मार्क रहा है, बट वो भी वापस आते हैं अगर तो कौन बाहर जाएगा। ये भी गिवन है क्योंकि पडिक्कल और ध्रुव जुरेल बाहर जा सकते हैं, तो फिर पोजीशन क्या होगी, बैटिंग पोजीशन। रोहित तो ओपनर है, will Jaiswal and Rohit open, then will Gill play at 3 and then Rahul play at 5 after doing a brilliant job in the first test while opening the innings for India. So this was a lot of confusion there, but I think what happened today gave you a sort of a hint what Indian team is trying to do. Why? Because even though Rohit Sharma was present, he was playing this match, he didn't come out to open the match, the innings rather. It was the same duo of Yashasvi Jaiswal and KL Rahul who came out and opened the innings for India. This was a very, very, very big hint. Rohit not coming to opening. Maybe either they are planning to send Rohit at number 5 or they want to throw Australia completely out of plans, and they showed, maybe they wanted to show कि यार रोहित तो नंबर 5 ही आएगा क्योंकि उन दोनों ने इतना अच्छा काम किया, लेकिन एडिलेड में क्या होता रोहित ओपन करने आ जाए, ये अभी भी बहुत बड़ा सवाल है। आप कमेंट सेक्शन में नीचे जरूर लिखिएगा what do you want to see personally. But Jaiswal and Rohit, they came out to Rahul, they came out to bat and they looked brilliant. Jaiswal scored a good 45 or 59 balls. KL Rahul was looking extremely good, 27 or 44 balls, but that confidence, those drives, those shots which we saw in Perth were there. Jaiswal out ho gaye, he started playing aggressive. Another thing about a warm-up game is that it's not that कि एक ही बैटर जितना लंबा खेल सकता है खेले. They usually spend some time on the crease and then they decide to bring in a new batter so that he can also get the necessary game time under his belt. So उसी को ध्यान में रखते हुए Jaiswal started playing a lot of aggressive shots and he got out in that process. KL Rahul was playing very good, but he retired because obviously, as I said, they wanted to give other batters some chance. Shubman Gill, now this man who has been on social media, उनका नाम social media पे इतना चल रहा है because during the match simulation before the Perth test, he injured his finger while catching at the slips. He missed the Perth test. Devdutt Padikkal played in place of him at number 3. So उनकी recovery को लेके, injury को लेके बहुत सवाल उठ रहे थे. But the innings that Gill played today, he scored 50. He scored a brilliant half century of just 62 balls with 7 boundaries included in that. So he showed that there is no discomfort. He is looking extremely well, extremely comfortable on the crease, and he has got some runs now. Like 50, Bishek, it's a warm-up game. It's not that big an attack in front of you, but a 50 is a 50. It will give you a world of confidence going ahead. Shubman Gill was looking extremely good. Even he got retired because India wanted to try out different batters on this. And then at number 4, Rohit Sharma came. Now, if you are wondering, यार number 4 तो विराट कोहली का, और विराट कोहली कहाँ है? अब तक उनकी कोई बात ही नहीं हुई. विराट कोहली was seen in the nets earlier in the day, facing the pink ball by the net ballers, by the side arm throwers. उनके साथ नेट्स में प्रैक्टिस कर रहे थे. He didn't play the warm-up game. He didn't come out to field. He didn't come out to bat. He was nowhere to be seen in the warm-up game. उन्होंने नेट्स में ज़रूर टाइम बिताया है, पर मैच में वो नहीं थे. तो नंबर 4 पे आए रोहित शर्मा. ऑब्वियसली टेस्ट मैच में, एडिलेड में और आने वाले बीजीटी के मैचेस में इट्स हाईली अनलाइकली विल सी रोहित शर्मा एट नंबर 4 बिकॉज दैट इज विराट कोहलीज पोजीशन. बट रोहित शर्मा केम आउट at number 4 and this was his first proper innings in Australia. He didn't play the Perth test. He joined the team late because he became father for the second time. वो लेट आते हैं, एक्लेमेटाइज करते हैं खुद को, अपनी बॉडी क्लॉक और ऑस्ट्रेलियन टाइम जोन के हिसाब से डालते हैं, और अब पहली बार आज के दिन ही डिड नेट सेशंस. ऑब्वियसली वी सॉ अ लॉट ऑफ क्लिप्स डूइंग राउंड्स ऑन सोशल मीडिया of him playing in the nets after landing in Australia, but he came out at number 4, couldn't do much, scored only 3 of 11 balls, went chasing a ball on the 5th stump और edge लगता है और slip पे जाती है, वैसे ही आउट हुए जैसे यूजली नंबर 4 के पिछले काफ़ी टाइम से हो रहे थे. Not in Perth. Kohli played brilliantly in Perth, but Rohit Sharma, I won't say it's a concern, but then again, इतनी balls नहीं खेली. Runs doesn't matter in a warm-up game. You need to spend some time on the crease. So I'm not sure what Rohit would be thinking after this innings, but finally at least he got some game time under his belt, which is of utmost importance. And the other important thing is that India batted under lights, so that's very, very, very important. In a pink ball test, in a day and night test, there are two things that are very different. Number one is the ball. The ball is pink, it's not red. There's a lot of lacquer on the ball which makes the ball swing a lot. And the number 2 major thing is that you have to bat under lights for one session. First two sessions are in daylight, but the third session is played under lights, so that is a big challenge, and probably that is the reason India decided to bowl first so that they can bat under the lights in the second innings. So Rohit Sharma could only score 3. Nitish Reddy, now this guy is what a talent he showed in Perth what he can do with the bat in hand. With the ball he didn't impress much. Obviously it was Bumrah's test match, it was Siraj, Harshit Rana, so with the ball itni zarurat nahi padi, but Nitish Reddy with the bat impressed everybody in the Perth test. In this match, he scored a brilliant 42 of just 32 deliveries, 5 fours, 1 sixes, 131 का strike rate. और उनके बाद जो आता है वाशिंगटन सुंदर, सेम 42 रन 36 बॉल्स पे, 5 फोर्स, 116 का स्ट्राइक रेट. ये दो बैटर्स खेलते हैं. ऑब्वियसली नीतीश रेड्डी आउट होते हैं, वाशिंगटन सुंदर नॉट आउट रहते हैं, रविंद्र जडेजा आते हैं. अब रविंद्र जडेजा कमिंग आउट टू बैट व्हेन यू आर ट्राइंग different batters. There's no Virat Kohli. Jadeja bowled as well. Is this a sign that you might see Ravindra Jadeja playing in the Adelaide Test in the second Test match starting on 6th of December? Well, obviously this is a big question mark, but he comes out to bat. He bats for a good 31 balls, scored 27 runs with 3 fours included. Then gets out. सरफराज खान आते हैं, बहुत cheaply out हो जाते हैं, 1 रन पे आउट होते हैं 4 balls खेल के. Then Padikkal comes and him along with Washington Sundar, they finished the game. India chased the total down 241 का 240 PM11 की टीम ने बनाए थे. 241 इंडिया ने 43rd ओवर में चेस कर लिए थे. बट देन दिस इज द ब्यूटी ऑफ अ वार्म अप गेम. चेस हो गया था 43rd ओवर में, पर इंडिया ने अपने ओवर्स पूरे खेले हैं. दे डिसाइडेड कि मैच तो ख़त्म हो गया, हम जीत गए हैं, लेकिन हम अपनी 46th ओवर तक पूरी बैटिंग करके जाएंगे. नाउ इफ यू आर वंडरिंग बाय 46 ओवर, इट वाज सपोज्ड टू बी 50-50 ओवर गेम. बट शुरू में जो बारिश हुई थी, विच आई टोल्ड यू के पहली विकेट के बाद PM11 की बारिश हुई थी, जिसके कारण मैच रुका था, तो गेम 46 ओवर असाइड हो गया था. एंड दिस इज द बेस्ट पार्ट, दैट इंडिया won the match in the 43rd over. They chased down a total of 250, but they decided to play out all the overs so that they can get any extra time that they could in the middle, especially Washington Sundar, Devdutt Padikkal. So India scored 257 runs, and obviously it's a warm-up game. Win or loss doesn't matter. You, as players, as individuals, you need to spend some time on the crease. And in this match, for someone like Rohit Sharma, it was very important, who will be playing his first test on this tour in Adelaide. Shubman Gill जो इंजरी से आ रहे हैं, उनके लिए खेलना बहुत ज़रूरी था, to assess his injury, his condition, because नेट्स में आप कर लेते हैं यार बैटिंग, बट इफ व्हेन यू आर इन अ मैच, यू गेट टू नो बेटर how your body is responding after recovering from an injury. So all in all, this was a great sign. But Rohit Sharma coming at that number 4, Jaiswal and Rahul opening the innings, that's a very, very, very big sign. We'll have to wait and see what does India do with this. Will Rohit Sharma play at number 5 in the Adelaide Test and the coming Test matches of the Border Gavaskar Trophy? This will be very, very interesting. What are your thoughts on this? Do write to us in the comment section down below. Warm up game से आपकी क्या expectation थी और क्या आपकी expectations match हुई हैं? There was a good crowd, local Canberra people, especially Indians, all the Indian diaspora there, all the South Asian diaspora there. They turned up in huge numbers just to see their favorite Indian team, because Canberra is, although it's an international stadium, but there's very rarely any international match happens there. So they were happy that the Indian team has come to that stadium to play. They were unhappy क्योंकि पहला दिन बारिश के कारण suspend हो गया था, but they were today very happy. You should go to the Cricket Next YouTube channel and see a special Vox Pop that you can see on our channel, where fans are talking about watching India, their disappointment of the first day getting washed out, coming out to watch Virat Kohli. Unfortunately, they didn't see Virat Kohli bat because वो नहीं आए बैटिंग के लिए, but they wanted to see their Indian team, and that's exactly what they got. And India won also, as I said, it doesn't matter, but for the fans it was a good outing all and all. But what are your thoughts on this? जैसे कि मैंने कहा, what were you expecting? Were your expectations matched, and what are the hints that you got? Rohit at number 5, Jaiswal, Rahul opening. Will India stick with the same pace attack of Bumrah, Siraj and Harshit Rana, or do you see a Prasidh Krishna entering from somewhere? Nitish Reddy plays or not? Jurel Padikkal are the most obvious, that fans believe obvious choice for replacing Rohit and Shubman Gill. But if you have some other thoughts, do write to us in the comment section down below. We'll be more than happy to read all the comments. Until then, do subscribe to the Cricket Next YouTube channel and hit the bell icon.